Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to reset and clear wallet data on the application of Brave browser app. Here we go to Brave. As you see, in this page you will go down to click in these three dots. In this list you will click on settings. Here in this page you will go to Brave wallet. After that you will click in this window of reset and clear wallet data, and then you can write yes. Here you will tap it like this with capital letter like this, or just here you will write it like this, and then you can click here confirm. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe. See you.